What time do you wake up?
I'll wake up at 7 a.m.
Does she go to school every day?
Yes, she goes every day.
Do they play football in the park?
Yes, they play every weekend.
Does he drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, he drinks coffee.
Do we eat dinner at 8 p.m.?
Yes, we eat at 8.
Do I look tired?
Yes, you look a little tired.
Does it rain in winter?
Yes, it rains a lot.
Do you close the door at night?
Yes, I close it.
Does she read books before bed?
Yes, she reads every night.
Do they live in this city?
Yes, they live here.
Do we watch movies together?
Yes, we watch on weekends.
Does he usually sleep early?
Yes, he sleeps at 10.
Do I drink tea every morning?
Yes, you drink tea?
Do you like the sofa?
Yes, I like it.
Does she water the plants daily?
Yes, she waters them.
Do they check emails every day?
Yes, they check them.
Does it look quiet here?
Yes, it looks quiet.
Do we wear jackets in winter?
Yes, we wear them.
Does he play the guitar?
Yes, he plays well.
Do I study English at night?
Yes, you study English.
Do they eat fruits daily?
Yes, they eat fruit.
Does she cook dinner at home?
Yes, she cooks every day.
Do we sit on the sofa after dinner?
Yes, we sit together.
Does it get cold at night?
Yes, it gets cold.
Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes, I brush them.
Does he listen to music in the evening?
Yes, he listens daily.
Do I go to work at 9 a.m.?
Yes, you go at 9.
Do they play games on their phones?
Yes, they play games.
Does she wear warm clothes in winter?
Yes, she wears them.
Do we drink tea after dinner?
Yes, we drink tea.
Does he open the window in the morning?
Yes, he opens it.
Do I keep my bag on the chair?
Yes, you keep it there.
Do you enjoy family time in the evening?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Does it take time to prepare dinner?
Yes, it takes time.
Do they talk to friends online?
Yes, they talk online.
Does she usually read the newspaper?
Yes, she reads it.
Do we clean the room daily?
Yes, we clean it.
Does he go jogging in the park?
Yes, he jogs daily.
Do you watch the news at night?
Yes, I watch it.
Do I drink water before bed?
Yes, you drink a glass.
Does she keep her phone on the table?
Yes, she keeps it there.
Do they enjoy weekends at home?
Yes, they enjoy them.
Does it shine in the morning?
Yes, the sun shines.
Do we talk in the living room?
Yes, we talk there.
Does he wear glasses?
Yes, he wears glasses.
Do I go to bed at 10 p.m.?
Yes, you go at 10.
Do you like warm milk at night?
Yes, I like it.
Does she enjoy cooking?
Yes, she enjoys it.
Do they open the shop early?
Yes, they open at 8.
Does it look beautiful outside?
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Do we watch cartoons on TV?
Yes, we watch cartoons.
Does he play football on Sundays?
Yes, he plays every Sunday.
Do I usually sit on the sofa?
Yes, you sit there.
Do you wear shoes in the house?
No, I don't.
Does she sweep the floor daily?
Yes, she sweeps it.
Do they check their phones at night?
Yes, they check them.
Does it feel warm in the room?
Yes, it feels warm.
Do we enjoy tea in the evening?
Yes, we enjoy it.
Does he study English every day?
Yes, he studies daily.
Do I listen to music in bed?
Yes, you listen to music.
Do you enjoy the city view?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Does she go shopping on weekends?
Yes, she goes shopping.
Do they play cricket in the park?
Yes, they play cricket.
Does it rain a lot in summer?
No, it doesn't.
Do we open the curtains in the morning?
Yes, we open them.
Does he wear a hoodie at home?
Yes, he wears a hoodie.
Do I watch TV in the evening?
Yes, you watch TV.
Do you drink juice in the morning?
Yes, I drink juice.
Does she close the door at night?
Yes, she closes it.
Do they relax after work?
Yes, they relax.
Does it get dark at 7 p.m.?
Yes, it gets dark.
Do we sit together in the living room?
Yes, we sit together.
Does he like coffee?
Yes, he likes coffee.
Do I study grammar at night?
Yes, you study grammar.
Do you take rest after lunch?
Yes, I take rest.
Does she wear casual clothes at home?
Yes, she wears them.
Do they go to school every day?
Yes, they go daily.
Does it snow in January?
Yes, it snows.
Do we watch the stars at night?
Yes, we watch them.
Does he clean the table after dinner?
Yes, he cleans it.
Do I keep my phone on the table?
Yes, you keep it there.
Do you read books before bed?
Yes, I read them.
Does she enjoy family time?
Yes, she enjoys it.
Do they drink tea after dinner?
Yes, they drink tea.
Does it sound noisy outside?
Yes, it sounds noisy.
Do we wear warm clothes in December?
Yes, we wear them.
Does he wake up early?
Yes, he wakes up early.
Do I play games on my phone?
Yes, you play games.
Do you finish homework before dinner?
Yes, I finish it.
Does she enjoy reading stories?
Yes, she enjoys them.
Do they sweep the floor every day?
Yes, they sweep it.
Does it look nice in this room?
Yes, it looks nice.
Do we go shopping on Saturdays?
Yes, we go shopping.
Does he talk to his friends online?
Yes, he talks online.
Do I enjoy music in the evening?
Yes, you enjoy it.
Do you drink water before bed?
Yes, I drink water.
Does she study English every day?
Yes, she studies daily.
Do they enjoy the night view?
Yes, they enjoy it.